Hey guys, so I actually wanted to purchase the Anua Niacinamide, um, and I got the fake one. This is the fake. Wait, yeah, this is the fake. It's highly scented. It has perfume in it. It doesn't really have the elevated ring. Like this is the original one. And let me tell you guys, it is not pink. It has this. It is a blend of um peach and red. I don't know. It's in between that. Yeah, it's definitely not pink. So, and let me tell you, this is how it is. Like when you are trying to get it back in the bottle from the, look at how it goes, glides in fluidly, while the fake one drops. I'm gonna show you. Look at the fake one. This is the fake. Because it is dropping. It's not really flowy like the other one. Yeah, because of how viral this product is, if you're not careful, you're gonna buy the fake. And I got the fake one, guys. I am mad because I got the fake one from the same vendor, an AliExpress vendor. I got the original one. I got the fake one from the same vendor. And I'm not gonna be putting this on my skin. I'm actually gonna be tossing it into the trash can as fast as I can. The reason why I held on to it because I wanted to do a video of the original. So this is the original and this is the fake. Look at the elevated ring. I'm just gonna show you how it is. Look at it. At this point. So yeah. So be careful out there so you don't buy the fake one. And of course, I'll demand for my money back because you're not going to be sending me fake products and having my money. I'm going to get back my coin for sure. But yeah, like I said, I'm on a journey to achieving the glass skin. My skin is pretty good. I just have a little bit of hyperpigmentation there, and that's why I've been using this. It's not the only thing I use, but it's one of the majors I use to try to get rid of that. And yeah, so fake, original. Be careful. They actually look similar. Just the elevated ring is one way to know that it is fake, and the way it runs, yeah, it is not runny like the. It drops. The fake one drops. The original one is quite runny. Yeah. So be careful out there so you don't buy the fake. Alright, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Please like, share, subscribe, and turn on that bell icon so whenever I post a video you get to see it. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Let's have the flawless skin we've always dreamed about. Let's have it together. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. Alright, have a good day and bye.